Are you ready to unlock the? We've got expert tips to help you maximize their potential and harness their energies like never before. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1, cleanse your crystals regularly. Crystals absorb energy from their surroundings, so it's important to keep them clean and free from any negative vibrations. Try using water, salt, or even the power of the moon to purify your precious stones. Tip number 2, activate your crystals with intention. Before using your crystals, take a moment to set your intention. Focus on what you want to achieve and visualize your desired outcome. This simple step will amplify the energy and make your crystals work even harder for you. Tip number 3, program your crystals for specific purposes. Different crystals have unique properties, so make sure to program them for specific tasks. Whether it's enhancing love, promoting healing, or attracting abundance, the more specific you are with your intentions, the more powerful the results will be. Tip number 4, use the power of meditation. By meditating with your crystals, you can tap into their energy and form a deeper connection. Simply hold your crystal, close your eyes, and let its vibrations guide you to a place of calmness and clarity. Tip number 5, keep your crystals close to you. Carry them in your pocket, wear them as jewelry, or place them strategically around your home or workspace. By keeping your crystals close, you'll be constantly surrounded by their positive energy and experience their benefits throughout the day. So there you have it, the expert tips to unlock the full potential of your crystals. Remember to cleanse them, activate with intention, program for specific purposes, meditate with them, and keep them close to you. Embrace the power that these beautiful gems hold and watch as they transform your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crystal-related content. Let's continue this journey together. Until next time, keep shining.